Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make these super simple, delicious, and healthy flaxseed crackers. So for these crackers, I used water, cumin, salt, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, nigella seeds, pumpkin seeds, and golden and brown flaxseed. In a bowl, combine all the ingredients. Mix it and add water. So you can see that it looks like there's a bit too much water, but as you allow it to sit, the flaxseed will absorb most of the water. So this is the mixture after about 15 minutes, and as you can see, most of the water has been absorbed. Transfer it to a lined baking sheet and spread it out to be as thick or as thin as you like your crackers. Bake it in a preheated oven of 150 Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how thick they are. And there you have it. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.